going to the Slumo Institute. Here we are. Waiting to check in.
So you can start your experience.
Each one of us are going to get a slime name. Please place in bubbles with OO.
Slime name. Slime name for Rishi. Now slime name for Liquid.
Look hoot!
Look good. Look good. I have so many for one.
Chandu, right?
Chandu.
CHOONDOO. B
H-O-O. Bono. Are you excited?
Here
Come, let's go.
we have different sections. I will walk you through each section. This is the first one.
Let's put there. Yeah, only
This is the second one. We get to explore different textures of lime in each section.
Come on. No. Give the man.
And I is trying to make bubbles with the slime.
ఇంకా expand. అది కూడా వచ్చింది.
Let's go to the next section. These are the different limes in this section. This was kind of jelly. And this was candy.
చూపి ఎలా చేయాలో
ఇలా చేయమ్మా స్పైడర్ వెబ్ గా ఉంది కదా
ఎలా చేయాలా సూపర్
ఈ స్పైడర్ వెబ్ గా
ఓ అన్న చూడు ఎంత బిగ్ చూడు Oh, it's coming. Glittery. Usually hands should be glittery. She hands. Show me hands. Glitter. Glitter, glitter.
We are going to glow in the dark section.
Wow. ఇక్కడ చూడు. Dance around.
Our clan will dance to our moves.
This place.
You have to dance. Your slime will dance here. Dance. Jump. Jump.
It's a sand, it's kinetic sand.
Yeah, this is kinetic sands. This is very nice.
Let's move on to next. You can have parties and play dates here. You have private room for the parties. It is great place for birthday parties.
Who is popping the bubbles? What is that? See there. Funny.
These are the slimes in this section.
Is it Sheila? Bubble చాలా బాగా వస్తుంది. Come on, come on, come on.
Amma is making a yam popping.
Rishi, come. Hand పెట్టు. Press, press, press. Take now. Yeah. Spin.
This is the next place. Come on, let's go to the next. We can hear the slime sounds here.
Starts every 20 minutes until
Now to the next section. Do you want to get guns under the climb like this? Not me.
Oh, no one is taking it.
It's a slime
ఇంకో స్లైమ్ తీసుకొని ఇంకో ఇక్కడ చూడు
Wow. That's a puzzle.
చెయ్యి
Okay,
చూస్ ఎనీథింగ్
Which you have?
ఏ డిజైన్ దిస్ వన్
zero. Zero.
నేను చేసేదా ఒకటి ఇలా ఇలా రెడీ
Ya te cocino.
ఓకే
Zero. Zero. I wonder what's going on. Zero.
Done? Slime time extra. Slime. What did you see? Thank you, Mama. What is it, by the way? Samosa? Okay.
స్లో మో సింబల్
Oh, yeah.
ఇది అది కాదు ఇది ఇది రిషాన్ స్పెట్స్ వేసుకొని వెళ్తున్నాడు
Moving on to next. This is the most fun part. Do it yourself slime. We are choosing our slime first.
Stretchy and bubbly తీసుకుందామా? This will be good. Okay. You want white? Okay. Butter. Okay. I'll take cloud cream. Cloud cream. Okay. Rishi, నీకు? చికెన్ గ్లాసీ అంట.
సెలెక్షన్ మీకు ఏది కావాలి మీకు ఆల్టర్నేటివ్ మీకు ఏది కావాలో సెలెక్షన్
అదే చూస్తున్నా క్లౌడీ బాగుంది.
Jelly. అక్కడ ఆడుకునేది ఉంది పైన ఓకే ఏంటి బట్టరు క్లౌడ్ క్రీమ్ జెల్లీ
చికెన్ గ్లాసీ అంట. chicken strong. Hi. How are you guys going today? Good. Did you pick out which section you guys want? Which one did you want?
Chicken glossy,
You get last one? How
butter.
many? One. And butter. Can I get you guys tickets?
You want chicken glossy?
Chicken classic for you.
Butter.
Good. What color butter?
Actually butter only.
బటర్ ఏ కలర్ తీసుకుందాం దిస్
Butter for you.
Jelly. నీదేంటి cloud cream.
Jelly for you.
Cloud cream.
Cloud cream. Here we go, cloud cream. So what we gonna
So we got our slime. Each of us got 2 coins. One for the color and one for the order.
do? You only get one,
But Anna got only 1 coin
baby.
because his slime is colored.
So what you're gonna do, you're gonna turn around and smell the flower wall and see which scent that you like best. You're gonna take your coin, go to the yellow wall over there, and into the coin
We are here selecting the scent for our slimes.
దిస్ ఇస్ నైస్
Hot chocolate, cookies and cream. And cookies and
మడ్ స్మెల్ కదా orange watermelon
this is cookies.
Kitana selected watermelon.
turn it to the first put the turn turn it I did ఇంకా liquid is coming show me smelling like watermelon you smell it put the coin okay let's start
Full tip.
Amma selected pink sugar. Nana selected red apple.
Put up.
In mine was cookies and cream.
నీవేం తీసుకున్నా
What color? Next, we are going to add colors to our slime.
పెట్టేసాడా
Okay, ready?
ఓపెన్ చేద్దాం ఓకే
Last. Yay, cone.
Yay! Our slime is ready.
అక్టోబర్ వరకు స్లైమ్ లేదు
We are going to use the charm for the slime.
Okay.
We got 3 for each.
Okay, choose for me, Risha. Okay, penguin.
96
96.
and
Penguin, panda.
Okay, 96, 93.
చూస్ చేయి
This and green, not ice. It's a struggle.
This is another fun part. It's just climb walk. It was kind of skiddy.
Wow.
But I did it. Amma, Anna, Nana also walked on climb.
Good.
I am going to the precipice.
Oh. Wow. Yeah.
This is Clomo Institute store. On total, we had lots and lots of fun. We are putting our climb name back on that climb Z.
Our slide names.
Don't miss to visit this place. You will just love it like me. Bye for now.